Thank you to Synthesia for sponsoring this video. Click the link in the description to try out Synthesia for yourself. Gracias a Synthesia por patrocinar este video. Da clic en el enlace de la descripción para probar Synthesia. What you just saw was a translation using my face and my voice, but I didn't re-record anything. This is one of the coolest applications of AI, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it yourself. This is Synthesia's latest AI video translator feature. You can take a video that you already have and translate it into any language supported by Synthesia, which is a lot of different languages, keeping the original speaker's tone, style, sound of their voice, and even lip sync so it looks like the exact person speaking in another language, just like you saw in the beginning of this video. So you can create translated videos that are not subtitled and don't have a robotic voiceover. It works on more than 140 languages and regional accents, so it sounds real. Let me show you what I mean. Here's an example of a YouTube video I created in the past for Synthesia, translated into Spanish. I'm going to show you a few second clip so you can see what I mean when I say it's lip synced so that my mouth movements are going to match the actual language and it's going to match my style, my tone, but in perfect Spanish. Synthesia's video translator just got even better. Right now, it's the best one on the market, and you can try it completely for free. Here's how to do it. First, you can click the link in the description. You can upload a video file or just paste a YouTube link. The source language, so the initial language the video is in, is detected automatically. You select the language you want to translate to. Here, I'm going to drop in a YouTube video, and we can see it detects it automatically. So we can type in the language and then you can click translate for free. Once it's generated, we can click into the actual video. Optionally, you can click edit. You could go in and make manual changes to the translation if you want, but you don't have to do this. And this is to tweak the transcript or pronunciation. And the first minute is completely free to try without a credit card at all. So you can go through the process, add a YouTube video or upload a video and get 1 minute for free. And let me show you a little bit more from this video so you can see how powerful and cool this is. This was generated using Synthesia.
Vamos a ver desde cómo generar B-roll y videos cinematográficos hasta crear videos para empresas, para que los integren en sus flujos de trabajo y casos de uso.
And there's so many different ways you could use this technology. You could use it for podcasts, for social media clips, for product demos, for training and onboarding content, for internal comms, or for sales outreach videos. But I'm sure for your own business use cases, you could come up with even more ideas. And remember, this works with over 140 languages. Something else that's cool to point out is that when you're in the Synthesia editor, under video duration, you can select original, which is going to keep the dub video at the same duration as the original, best for fast-paced dynamic videos, or adaptive. And this is what I typically use. So this will change the length slightly, so the dub video speed will be adjusted to fit translation, best for instructional content. And this is a really cool feature that they have. Again, you can turn on lip sync, but you can also turn it off if you want to save on credits, but I think it's worth it to use the lip sync feature, and then you can generate from there. For sharing, you can either go to the top right and create a link to share, or you can click these 3 buttons on the top right and actually download the video as a video file to use however you'd like. Again, click the link in the description to try Synthesia out for free. It's really cool just to see yourself speaking another language, so I recommend checking it out and clicking that link. If you have any questions at all, leave a comment below and subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more free content like this. The AI world is changing so quickly, and I'm doing my best to keep you updated with everything I'm learning about AI as soon as I can. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.